A few days ago, I posted a picture online titled Above the Clouds. And it was an amazing picture of Adaklu Mountain shot from above the clouds, or what seems to be above the clouds anyway. In that shot, there are lots of people who were commenting, hey Franklin, can the drone get that high? That picture is amazing, and a whole lot. What most people didn't know is that that picture is actually part of a series or a story we're actually doing, or I'm doing on the Adaklu Mountain. I keep saying that the mountain is really tall, and you can see it from anywhere at all in a town. I needed to prove that, so that was the project, and that is the birthplace of that image. So let's go take a look at Adaklu Mountain from around the township. Our first view of Adaklu Mountain is located at a place called Goshen City. It's an intersection that connects the Residency, Soko de Lukwe, and Kabori School. And over here we can see the mountain from that location. If you know any of the places there, tell us in the comments. So if you're a bird and you're actually flying around the GBC, where we also have graphics communications and then West FM, this is what you'll be seeing if you are facing towards the Adaklu Mountain. So this is the Civic Center, basically the central point of Ho. Everyone knows this side. If you're coming to Ho, that's the first place you almost always meet. And getting this shot was quite interesting because lying on the floor with all the traffic coming by was a little ridiculous, but it was fun. This particular one is a view you will get from where we call Guinness in Ho here. And this, I believe, is the most interesting because this is the image that actually started the whole conversation, and I'm forced to release this video early. So enjoy Through the Clouds. The Zongo view was also quite interesting to get because really I didn't know anybody around there. The people don't know what I was doing and they were all wondering, what is this guy doing here? And it was still nice though. This is the Catholic Secretariat at Lokwe, and this too was quite good, even though it was a little foggy. I didn't really enjoy this one. The shots were not coming out really well, but well, that's the view I was getting that day, so take it like that. As for Dome shot, it was the easiest to grab because all the people around Dome, they know how crazy I can get with my things. When I was doing it, like, oh, this boy is here again, and everyone just walked by without even thinking twice. So yeah, Dome people, enjoy your view. So this road leads you to HTU, or Whole Technical University. And imagine going to class and seeing a crazy guy lying down on the floor with some kind of controller in his hands, looking all weird. That's exactly how this one felt like, but it was still a good shot. This is a view from Ola Traffic. I didn't say Ola Senior High because, like, you know, Ola there, you can go there and come on. This is the traffic, not the school inside. Adrian. Now this was really dangerous, shooting from the market. Imagine cars were passing and I was just in the street in the middle of the road lying down and I wouldn't move and cars just parked and was, you know, making a lot of noise. Caused a lot of traffic, but yeah, it was fun. And finally, this is a shot from the stadium. Yeah, that is where I took this final shot and it was quite clean, so no long talk. And don't forget to, give this video a thumbs up and then share some comments below there, tell us what you think, and then some other concept would be a bad idea. So I'll see you in the next one. And you know what I always say? It's double V, VV for Visit Vote Accra Franklin again. And this Independence Day, everything you need to know, like I said earlier, right here at Tourism Ghana, we bring all of it to you. So I'll see you on the other side. Esema.